I thought it was great. I just got to learn so much about different AI platforms I've never heard of before. And we got to try out three different AI platforms, and I found all three of them to be very useful. And I can definitely see myself incorporating at least like two of these platforms into like my daily life, like just work life too. I thought that even though my company doesn't do a lot with I just feel like AI is developing, and if I don't hop in and just start learning now, I will fall behind. And I think it's just a great way to just add to my work life and like just even my daily life too, make it more just easier to use and everything. I thought it was great. It gave like a background to AI because I think I only know like the general like worldly sense of like AI and what that's like. So it's cool seeing like the more technical side, and then having an introduction of all different AI platforms was helpful too because I went into each AI platform like with different expectations, and yeah, it was just very cool to explore and learn. Joan was a great presenter. She had so much energy. She clearly knew what she was talking about, and I think her enthusiasm for AI and all of the platform, everything made me more excited to use it too. So it was very exciting to like listen to. It was great. I really recommend going to one of these kind of things.